Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has denied the allegations of the opposition that the state government is facilitating illegal coal mining in the state. Reacting to the allegations, Chief Minister said that during their tenure, there was no action against illegal coal mining, and it is only under this government that action is being taken against such illegal activities. When asked about the death of a coal miner in an illegal coal mine in West Khasi Hills, he said the location of the mine was in a distant place, but yet the police has been able to arrest the owner of the mine.
See, number one, there is no question of any facilitation. It was during the opposition's time when there was no action taken on any of these. It is only when the NPP government and the MDA government came in did we start imposing the MMDR Act on it, made it more strict and more stringent for anybody who's involved in any kind of activity. So hundreds of cases have been filed, action has been taken against hundreds of people, a lot of people have been arrested. So one cannot just simply point a finger. I think they have to also realize that what is the things that they did not do during their time before they start pointing fingers.
So last politics?